How's it going, everyone? And this is Daniel. In this video, we're going to be talking about, will Tesla stock crash and what can possibly save it from crashing a lot. So we're going to talk about in detail in this video coming up. So as you can see over here, we have Tesla stock that is sitting close to all-time highs. We're sitting at $1,222. After hours, it's down, sitting at $1,216. So we all know that Elon Musk tweeted about him doing a poll. He's potentially be selling 10%. But there is one slight thing that can potentially save Tesla stock from crashing. Basically, the one thing that we need to be focusing on is going to be the $1 trillion infrastructure bill that passed. So this is definitely going to be helping not only Tesla, but all of the other electric vehicle companies that we know. Because this bill has more than $7.77 million, $7 billion worth of money going into electric vehicle companies, basically to help them with the charging stations, right? So they're going to be building charging stations across the US, and in that term, since there are going to be more charging stations, people are more likely going to be buying electric vehicles because now it's more charging stations across the US, and they're not going to have a lot of inconvenience, anything like that, to looking for charging stations, since this money is going to be building, this billions of dollars is going to go through building this specific infrastructure. So that is phenomenal. So that is a fantastic news. We have the bill that allocates not only to electric vehicle companies building charging stations, but also have like cybersecurity and etc. that have crypto and things like that. There's a lot of stuff that they passed within this bill, but all we know is that they're allocating billions of dollars to building electric vehicle charging stations across the US, and that is phenomenal news, and that can really soften the blow of the massive sell-off that can potentially happen. We know that Elon Musk has a lot of shares of Tesla, and 10% of it is around $21 billion. So that is a lot of money that's going to be flowing to the negative side. Basically, he's going to be applying a lot of selling pressure if he dumps it. And he specifically said that he's going to be abiding by the poll. As you can see, I'll abide by the result of this poll, whichever way it goes. So 57% of people are saying that they wanted him to sell, lock in his gains. And not only that, there's going to be a lot of people that are on the sidelines, right? So the short sellers are going to be piling in. It's just a great opportunity if you're somebody that's swing trading, or somebody that like you fundamentally don't believe that Tesla is going to be successful. You can definitely add to your positions or pounce on this opportunity. And not only that, we have people that made millions of dollars. There's people that made a lot of money, and they can lock in profits. Now it's tempting, right? It's tempting because he's saying that he's going to be dumping more than like $20 billion worth of shares, so they can potentially want to lock in profits before it dumps. So that's going to be another selling pressure. And we have another group of swing traders, day traders that want to take this opportunity and bury these stocks to the ground. But however, we still, as I mentioned, you don't know what could potentially happen for Tesla stock. In the past, we've gone through the same thing over and over again. He came out and tweeted that Tesla stock is high, and it dropped 8%, but it recovered, right? So we might just see a slight dump. Maybe we might see a slight dump for like 1 or 2 weeks, and the stock price will recover. But still, this positive news can save Tesla stock for real. So don't lose hope on it, especially if you're somebody that do you believe in Tesla stock. If you're invested for the long term, this might be a slight bump on the road, but Tesla stock definitely has a price target of $3,000 by ARK Invest. Infrastructure bill definitely can lower the blow, so that is one positive thing that can help us out. But in the short term, I definitely think that we can see a slight pullback all the way down to $1,100. So that is the short-term price target for it. But in the long term, we're gonna go to the upside. Price target still stays. It can go to $3,000. Within the next decades and stuff. So definitely, that is the price target to watch out for. But let me know in the comments section below what you think. If it's gonna go drop, if nothing's gonna happen. Tesla stock is just a mystery for everybody, because even negative news can come out and the stock can go up. But these pullbacks really are nasty when it comes to Tesla stock, especially if you're somebody that's holding it for a long time, if you experience, sometimes it can pull back. It can go up like 50, 100, 200%, but the drop is just nasty at the same time too. So let me know in the comment section below, but make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, check out the link description box if you want to get free stocks. But I catch you guys on another video.